The best 7 tips to lose weight, fast, and safe. What is the number one most effective way to lose weight? Consistent aerobic activity, such as brisk walking, is one of the best strategies to reduce body fat. Other people might need more exercise than this to reduce weight. The level of daily activity, as well as the types of activities we engage in, directly affect how many calories our bodies burn. Boosting your physical activity is crucial for effective weight loss. To maintain a healthy weight, one must practice stress management, good diet, and regular exercise. Diet also plays an important role in controlling body weight. Eat nutritionally dense foods. Nutrient-dense foods are essential for your diet. They fulfill your nutritional needs and provide an array of health benefits. Some examples of nutrient-dense foods are whole grains, such as brown rice and oatmeal, nuts, fruits, vegetables, and fish. These foods contain vitamins and minerals, complex carbohydrates for energy, lean protein for muscle recovery, and healthy fats for heart health. You should follow the regular physical activity routine, such as walking, cycling, sports of various types, and aerobic exercise. Walking is a fantastic, affordable exercise that doesn't require any additional gym equipment. Skip all sugary beverages. These are carbonated drinks, beer, juice. Develop the habit to eat slowly. Consuming food slowly can boost the hormones that signal fullness. Further, it helps for better digestion. What diet you should follow to lose weight? One of the most common diets for weight loss is the low-carb diet. The Atkins diet, the ketogenic, keto, diet, and the low-carb, high-fat, LCHF, diet are a few examples. Clinical cardiology research suggests the ketogenic, or keto, diet may be a successful weight loss strategy. Eat low-carbohydrate diets. Low-carbohydrate diets are the most popular ones adopted for losing weight. A low-carbohydrate diet is defined as a diet that contains less than 60% of the calories from carbohydrates. Eat low-fat diets. Why you should eat low-fat diets? The term low-fat diet is often used interchangeably with the term low-calorie diet. A low-fat diet is not necessarily a low-calorie diet, but it can be. Low-fat diets are often recommended by doctors and nutritionists for people who are overweight or obese. A low-fat diet consists of foods that have less than 30% of their calories coming from fat. Foods that are high in fat or saturated fats, such as animal products, butter, cheese, should be eaten sparingly. The goal is to keep your total fat intake to no more than 20% of your daily calories. Drink more water. Replace sugary and calorie-loaded drinks with water. Drinking water 30 minutes before a meal can help you reduce weight. Why you should eat high-fiber diet. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that our body can digest. Fibers are important for digestion, as they help move food through the digestive tract. The best sources of fiber are whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. You should eat high-fiber foods because it helps you feel fuller for longer periods of time. And it lowers your risk for obesity, heart disease and diabetes.